Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video on my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can sharpen your pastel pencils on a very easy way. You see, I have a basket for my mats of the sharpening. I have two normal sharpeners, and I have a normal kitchen knife, and I have a special knife for points of Faber-Castell, and I have this paper for making the point if you want. It is for wood. You can use it also for making it very smooth. For now I will start with explaining with this normal sharpeners. I will take this Stabilo Carbotello pencil, and I will take, let me see, I will take this sharpener. This is an old one. I use it a lot of times. Like you see, it's very frustrating because it isn't working. There's nothing coming out. And then I have the new one, and the new one I just sharpening. It's really nice if you have a new sharpener, because you have immediately a very nice sharp point. So this is option one. I use a new sharpener for sharpening your points, but with pastel it's really difficult, because after 10 pencils your sharpener isn't useful anymore. And I will show you now how you can use your old sharpener to make some nice points. So this one is finished. I will take another one, also a Stabilo Carbotello. The new sharpener I will put away, and I will take the old one. Let's see, only this area I can sharpen, and now it's not function anymore. What I will do, I will use the large hole. You have the small and you have the large, and you will not stick it straight, but a little bit like this, a little bit sidelings, and you will only sharpening your point. It's a small technique. I have already a sharp point at this moment, but now you can reuse for the wood the small hole, and again you can use a little bit the big hole. And like you see, this is a really nice sharp point. In this way you can use your old sharpener a lot of times to create a sharp point you want. And in my opinion, you will not throw away a lot of your pencil. Like you see, this one is more short than this one. This is a little bit bigger, the point, and you throw away a lot of your pencil, because it has to go around and around to make the to make this sharp point. And with the green one, with this one I make with the old sharpener, you don't, because you're only sharpening the point, so you don't throw away your pencil. So this is option one, and I really like it. So I put them there. For now I will go to option 2. I will take the Faber-Castell and the normal kitchen knife. I use this a lot of times, and I really like it. You can use it to cut the woods. I will use it a little bit like this. Watch out your fingers. And this is a dangerous way because of your fingers, so it's more easy to do it like this, and you only erasing the wood. The only problem with this is it isn't the good way for your hand to hold. Like you see, it's a little bit crampy, ergonomic it isn't, but it works really fine. You can use a Stanley knife, a normal kitchen knife, just to sharpening your pencil. What I said, the only problem with this is that it isn't ergonomic for your hand. After a few pencils you will feel it in your hands and it's really not nice. And you have to watch out, you will not pressure it too much, because then you will break your point. In my Dutch version you'll see I break my point. Now I only sharpening my pencil, my point, not the wood. Watch out for your finger. This is the most cheapest way of sharpening. Like you see, I have now a really nice sharp point. It's really nice. With the kitchen knife, the only problem is it isn't really good for your hand to sharpen a lot of pencils. Because yeah, you can't hold it really nice, but you have a really sharp point. Now I will take the Faber-Castell knife, and I will take the Stabilo. It doesn't matter which kind of knife you use, and you can cut it in different ways. You can cut it also like this, and you can cut it from both sides, so it's really nice. You can cut it like this, like I did also with the kitchen knife, and it's really nice because you can hold your thumb like here. So you can just put on the pressure and you can hold it more ergonomically for your hand than the knife, because yeah, this is really nice and it is made for it. Watch out, you will not put too much wood, then it will be a little bit difficult. For the point I will turn and I will use this side. Watch out because it's really sharp, and I will just put it a little bit easily. And like you see, I have a really nice sharp point. I really love this way. The other way I will take another pencil is working or with this Faber-Castell knife or with the kitchen knife. For now I use the Faber-Castell because I like it more, and this paper for making the points. I will also show you a little bit other way of using this knife. Like you see, watch out for your finger, but in this way you can easily wrap it off. And this I like the most, this way of sharpening, because then you will not hurt someone who is passing by, and it's really nice. Okay, now I will take this one, and like you see I don't have a point yet, and I will drawing and turning around my pencil. And I have a really nice sharp point. The only problem of this is that the paper is really it's a small paper, so it's fast, it's full, and if you are using your pencil on other color you did before, then your pencil will be dirty. So it's really nice to make really sharp points, but yeah, I like the most only using this one, but you can use a lot. The normal knife, a new sharpener, old sharpener. It's really nice. I will show you again the points. This one I take with the new sharpener. It's really nice sharp points. This one I make with the old one to use the big hole and using it like that. It's also really nice. And this one I will use the kitchen knife. It was also really nice, only it's a little bit dramatic for holding your hand, but the kitchen knife or some other knife, it is a Stanley knife, it is really possible to use. But if you are sharpening a lot of pencils, I will not recommend it because of the hands, it's not ergonomic. Then I will have this one. I take only the Faber-Castell knife, and I really love this one. It's really sharp and it's ergonomic for your hands, and it's not because I want that you will buy this, it's just because I love this way of sharpening. And this one is also really nice with using the two tools, it's really nice to use it and to have a really sharp point. And for now, these are the only way I will show you of how to sharpen your pastel pencils. Later there will come another video of how to sharpening your pastel pencils really good. For now, this is it. If you have questions, if you want to know something you don't know about drawing, about erasing, about sharpening, or some other things, let me know, and maybe I will make a new video for you where I explain how to do things. Subscribe yourself on my YouTube channel. I will put on the videos in Dutch and in English. So yeah, you can watch it in the language you understand. And yeah, for now, thanks. I hope you like this one, and I hope I will see you soon.